In this video, I'll break down the key differences between the all-wheel drive S and the HT from Pedal Electric. The HT is our latest, lightest, and most compact model, built on a smaller frame platform for easy maneuverability. It's perfect for cruising downtown, weaving through the neighborhoods, and tackling everyday rides with up to 2 passengers. Powered by a single 750-watt motor and 16 amp-hour custom battery, it provides up to 45 plus miles of range and is designed for a perfect balance of power and efficiency. It's equipped with adjustable front suspension, integrated headlight, taillight, and anti-theft AirTag holder. Now, over to the all-wheel drive S. The all-wheel drive S is built for superior power and performance. Featuring a dual 1,000-watt motors, it's the fastest ride in its class. Made for off-road adventures, steep city commutes, and everything in between. Its custom 25 amp-hour battery provides up to 80 miles of range. Its larger ergonomic frame was built for 2 passengers in mind, supported by dual suspension for comfort and support. This top-tier offer includes all the bells and whistles: integrated headlight, brake light, turn signals, anti-theft alarm, cargo rack, and passenger pegs, all in one package. Both bikes are upgrade ready, with the ability to install a second battery, adding an extra 40 plus miles to your ride, plus a wide range of customized accessories. Pedal offers nationwide service and financing options, so joining the team has never been easier. Whichever ride fits your style, height, or price range, we've got you covered. Check them out today and change the future of your commutes, wherever they might be, with Pedal Electric.